Okay guys, so this is the second take. I messed up the first take, so hopefully I will manage to make it this time. So today we're gonna have our tutorial in English. So we're going to make the timing belt pulley. This is a pulley today. So this is the pulley I original created. You already have it in the folder I gave to you so far. And let's see how this pulley is, what comes with the pulley if we build it up. So if we want to make only this pulley, we also get, I bring it here to visibility, I get a second pulley. And I also get a belt. So if I only want to make this, I have to create all those three parts combined, or I have to create, therefore, a assembly, Zahnriemenscheibe, and that's what I get, okay? But only I need to have one of those pulleys. Okay, let's create a new one. So at first we start a new file, go on New, go on Assembly, Baugruppe, start a new assembly norm, normal one, create. So I have to switch on my timer so I stay below 15 minutes, so 1 second please. So 12 minutes left maybe. Okay, so this is our assembly. We build it up the same way as we made our gear wheel, our Zahnrad. Okay, so we have to go in the design area, Konstruktions folder, and that's where we made our gear wheel, maybe you remember. But here you see the little button, synchronous belts. If you start at first one, you will see the V belt. Okay, so V belt is preset, pop down, synchronous belt. That's what you choose. So now we are asked to save the assembly. Now the folder that appears is completely messed up. I gonna choose the right one where our project is. I have it on the desktop. I have here my Wellenlagerung. So this is where you already made your Lagergehäuse, your whatever, your parts and your assembly as well, and your gear wheel as well. So that's where we have to work. So we call it Zahnriemenscheibe. So, and I just call it 333. You only call it Zahnriemenscheibe. That's good enough for you. So it will create here a assembly and a new folder and a lot of things in the folder as well. Let's check it out. So, but before the pulley wheels are saved, we gotta choose our specifications. So in this section here, we choose a belt that's single-sided, and what really good is on those ones, this is a measurement in millimeters, T10 in millimeters. We check out this one, the single-sided. Okay, so we also choose the belt width. We need a little more strength than the standard one, so we go for 25 millimeters. So this is how wide our belt will be. The number of teeth, it doesn't matter in our case because we only need one wheel or one pulley. So it's 61 teeth, and let's check it out what T10 means. Here you can see it. It's 10 millimeters from teeth two teeth. Okay, so if we have 61 teeth and each one is 10 millimeters apart, we have a total length of this belt of 610 millimeters. Okay, those are the specifications of our belt. So now we're gonna check out the plane. Now we need a plane to position the pulleys and the belt as well. And this will be the mid plane. So the middle of the center of the belt will be positioned between this plane we're going to choose right now. So check out this, click on this box, go to the planes, to the origins, and now we choose the plane that's on the Y and Z axis. So Y and Z, so it's the first plane. We choose this. So now we can see the pulleys itself, they have 25 teeth, and this first pulley has a width of 30 millimeters. The second one has 27. So we're happy with that so far. In case you have something different here, it doesn't matter at first. So let's go for OK. So now they want to save two pulleys, one belt, and a sub-assembly. It's here in your main folder, Zahnriemenscheibe. This will create a new folder, the Konstruktionsassistent folder. It's called Design Accelerator. And we say go. There we are. So let's see. So synchronous belt, one pulley, second pulley. So now, in case we want to switch the appearance of our pulley, so like this disc here, we want to have it on this wheel, this pulley, not the other one. We can go here, edit, using Design Accelerator, and then here besides, we can say the first pulley will get the double flanged sides, and the second pulley, so this one, look at that, it goes from 30 to 27 millimeters. I say okay, wait a second. Now you can see both have the sides, the flange on the side. Okay, this wheel and this as well. So now you can cancel those one if you want to, or leave it the way it is. So let's do like this. We're gonna switch off the visibility of the belt. We switch off the visibility of the second pulley, and there you go. That's it. So, but we first have to save this. So we're asked if we want to save the Zahnriemenscheibe main assembly and all those other parts. So say yes for all in case there is one is no with a no, then you go for OK. So if we don't get any message that it's unable to proceed the saving, then we are fine. So let's check out if everything worked out fine in the folder. So where it is it? So the folder, wait, let's go here. So in this folder I'm working the demo session for you guys. So check it out. We have the Zahnriemenscheibe 333. This is the assembly I created at first. So then there has to be a folder with the same name. So please don't change the names at any time of those parts and folders. Let's go in there. We have the Konstruktionsassistent Ordner. Then we go in there. We have the pulley, the first pulley, the second pulley, the belt, and this sub-assembly. So everything's fine so far. Let's go back to the pulley. Let's see how many times left. Oh my god, 3 minutes, 50 seconds. So we have to drill in the hole. Now you go here and activate to edit, okay, in this pulley. So this has to be gray, this has to be highlighted. Then you do all this, you do the same things you did on the gear wheel. You do a sketch here and you will find the proper dimensions. So it's 25, I think. Then we have to create a slot as well and bring this one, I don't know how many millimeters, maybe 3.3. I go for this one, and the width, I don't know. I will have to look up. Just a suggestion. Let's see, in my original one, I speed up a little bit. So go for edit. I made an extrusion here. I can show you the extrusion. Edit sketch. Oops. So I'm going to push F7 to be in the plane. F7 to be in the plane where I created this sketch. So it's a width of 8 millimeters, 25 in diameter. So this is it pretty much. So 8 millimeters here. So what else do I have to choose? Oh, okay, still not fixed. So I have to project here, and project. I go into the synchronous pulley and go for the main planes, project this one. This is good enough, I think. So bring this one on here. So you see everything is in purple, and that's how you can go. Or if we, wait 1 second, if we switch maybe this unimportant line here to construction line, maybe it's easier to drill the hole in the slot as well. So go for extrude, go for cut, go for distance all. Now so it didn't choose the upper one, so I have to select shift normally that it's adds to the profile. Control, damn. Anyways, I take it that way. Try to do it in the second run. Now, edit feature. So maybe the problem is right now I have an Apple keyboard and I don't know the right key to get this work. So, wir machen es so, Sie machen einfach hier, entweder ist es Shift oder die Control-Taste oder Steuerungstaste bei Ihnen, wo Sie dann die Fläche zusätzlich noch hier anwählen können. Oder Sie gehen ins Profil rein und schauen wir mal, wie wir es da gemacht haben. Ne, da habe ich es genauso gemacht. Und dann müsste das auch klappen mit dem Ausschneiden. Okay? Probieren Sie es einfach, Sie werden es hinkriegen. Und ich sag mal, tschüss an der Stelle.